Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate your Microsoft Outlook inbox related processes. Basically, these are the processes initiated as soon as you receive an email and you want to take actions based on those emails or their attachments, extracting information, classifying them, updating other systems, creating calendars, etc. See, for long term, users have been able to monitor Gmail inboxes, but also for a while we've had this new trigger called Zenphi Mail, which enables you basically to initiate a Zenphi flow from any mailbox by just forwarding an email to this mailbox. So what happens when I create a flow here with this trigger? It provides me with a unique email address. So I can specify the alias part of it. So this can be like invoices, accounts payable, etc., etc. I'm just gonna call it um, inbox automation. Um, this is the alias you control, so you remember what it is for. And not only can you forward emails from your inboxes, but also other systems can, or other users can send emails directly to this email address. So as soon as I press publish, I'm just gonna call this Outlook in in automation. Just gonna press publish. You see, as soon as I press publish, it's gonna provide me with a unique email address, which is unique to this flow. So basically from now on, any email sent to this email address, doesn't matter where it comes from, can initiate a flow. And then once you initiate the flow, a power of Zenphi is at your disposal. Let me show you how you can do this in Microsoft Outlook inbox. So I'm going to copy this, close. Let's go to an Outlook account that I've got. So all you need to do is go to settings, rules, create a new rule, call it inbox automation or test. Obviously, this is a rule name you want to give it, and what's the condition? For me, the condition for because it's just a test and demo purpose for test and demo purpose. I'm going to say if the email is from this user, so you can obviously check the add additional condition, check the subject and other stuff. But again, for the demo purpose, I'm just going to say any email coming from excuse me, this email address, just go ahead and forward it to the unique email address that Zenphi provided to me. So this is the email address. If I show you, um, yeah, the unique email address that Zenphi provided to me, just to be sure, I'm going to paste it here. Make sure it's got a complete one. Yes. And all I need to do is press save. Obviously, you can add other actions like go after you forward it, go as mark it as read or move it to a specific folder. Save. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. Now, anytime an email arrives in this inbox, which meets those criteria, it's going to get forwarded to this Zenphi flow. It's going to start a new instance of it. Now, to show you as a test, I've got two test scenarios for you. First, I'm going to send this sample Amazon order email to to this inbox, which is going to then get forward to Zenphi. And what I want to do, I want to use AI, in this case Gemini, to extract some information from the email address. Saying um, extract order ID, um, product name, and order amount from this order email, order approval email. And all I need to do is pass in the content of the email here. Uh, let's add a log to history so we can see the output. And I'm just gonna dump the whole generated output here. Press publish. Now let's do the first test run. Let's press send. Head to Outlook. Wait for the email to arrive. While we're waiting for it, I want to remind you, your company may have set a policy which may stop email forwarding rules. So you may want to check with IT if you're not the email forwarding rule is not working. So as you can see, the email has arrived. and it's already been marked as unread. I'm just going to archive this one before heading back to Zenphi. Now, let's head back to Zenphi. Let's have a look at recent runs. If I refresh it, I should have one run here at least. I do indeed. Let's have a look at the output, and it's going to say the order ID is this, which is correct. It was oral B, and the amount was $3. Really, really good. And from here, again, all of your Zenphi's power is at your disposal. You can go ahead and update your QuickBooks or generated documents using Microsoft Word or Google Drive, etc., etc. Or update Zero or any other system that you've got. So the Zenphi's power is at your disposal. And the other things I wanted to show you is working with the attachments. So what I want to do, I want to forward this other email, which has got an attachment like this. This is a PDF file, dummy invoice from Microsoft from a long time ago. I'm going to forward it to there, and I'm going to ask AI to classify and also extract information from the invoice. Let's head back to Zenphi. To refresh it. Okay, so what I want to do, with our Gemini action, you can pass multiple files because the emails may have multiple attachments. But for our simplicity, for our case, I'm going to go and say, let's go and get the first PDF attachments. For that, I'm using the query collection. So I go and get the attachments, all the attachments from here, but filter to the ones which have got content type of application slash PDF. And once you've done that, I am only interested in the first item. Just rename the action, get the first PDF attachment. Now all we need to do is go here, update it, classify the attached document. If it's an invoice, also return the supplier name. Obviously, this is quite simple and straightforward. The prompt, I mean, is a quite simple one and straightforward one. But you can extend it however you want to extend it. But for the demo purpose, I'm just keeping it simple. As the next step, I'm passing the file payload output from here, the first one, and that's pretty much it. Let's publish this and let's do another test run. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Gmail, press send. Let's go back to Outlook where it's for the email to arrive. Should have any minute. Yeah, there it is. So, okay, just gonna also archive this one so it doesn't get confused. Okay, now if I go to the recent one here, we'll refresh. I should see the second run. Obviously, it just has arrived. It's already just running. That's finished. Let's look at the logs. And it says the classification, of course, is invoice, and supplier name is indeed Microsoft. As you can see, with just a few steps and few drag and drops, you can start automating your Microsoft Outlook inbox related processes, which is going to give you a ton of productivity and efficiency in conjunction with using things like generative AI and other types of AI and other actions that we've got. Hopefully you find this useful, and please let us know if you've got any questions or suggestions. Thank you very much.